All right. Here we go, here we go. This good time. Welcome back, it's Whiskey Six again. Got a few pours here waiting on me. Long day at the office, ready to get the night right. Tonight we got gonna do a blind tasting of Knob Creek. Been really looking forward to doing this. I got some Knob Creek Single Barrel Reserve 9-year. Knob Creek Single Barrel Select Bourbon, 120 proof. The 9-year is 120 proof as well. Fantastic. Knob Creek 12-year, 100 proof. And last but certainly not least, we got Knob Creek 15-year. All right, a little bit about Knob Creek. A lot of people don't know Knob Creek from Jim Beam. Everybody has heard of Jim Beam. Master distiller down there, Freddie Booker Noe. His dad, also known as Freddie Booker Noe, it was known for Booker's Bourbon. Freddie Booker Noe also coined the term small batch. Everybody has heard of Booker's Bourbon, all from that Jim Beam family, ancestry to Jim Beam. So we're going to get started here because I'm anxious to see which one of these Knob Creeks fares the best. So let's get started. Over here to the left, get a little smell here. Whoa, that's a good start. That is a good start. Ah, nice and caramely and fruity. Ah, very good. Let's see what we got. Well, that's a good start. I'm gonna give it a guess. I'm gonna go out without tasting the rest, and I'm gonna guess that this is the 15-year because it does taste a little oaky, and I like oaky. So I'm gonna take a guess that is started off with the 15-year. Good finish there, nice and smooth. Knob Creek's been doing this a long time. They know what they're doing down there for sure. All right. Picked up a few barrels. I wish I picked up a few barrels. I picked up a few bottles this week on the bourbon hunt that I've got up here. Picked up Colonel Taylor Barrel Proof, this Weller Full Proof Single Barrel, and then I found this Blanton's Straight from the Barrel. Those are all going to go to Bardstown here in about a month. Looking forward to that again. I know you'll all have heard me say that 100 times. That's gonna be fun. So we got quite a bit of the selection going down right now. Looking forward to sharing that with the guys down there. Let's see what we got. Number 2. Ah, man, that's smells a little sweeter than the first one. Whew, that's got a good smell to it. Vanilla, some caramel. Ah. A little fruity. Let's see what it tastes like. Well. I'm gonna bring that one back a little bit. This one's gonna stay up there. 2 got a little bit smoother on the back end, a little bit sweeter. I like that, just a little bit sweeter. Very good, very good. A little less oak, a little bit higher on the sweeter side there. Very, very good. Still. So anyway, number 3, cheers. That actually has a little bit even a better nose than number 2. Similar nose, similar caramel, vanilla, fruity smells, aromas there. That's tough. That is tough. Let me take a look here. try to guess which we got here. I think that's going to be one of the 120 proofs. I'm going to go with that. Number 3 is going to be the Single Barrel Select Bourbon, 120 proof. This bottle, we're going to take a guess. So right now, I'm thinking number 1 is 15. Number 2 is probably the 12 year. And then we'll go like that. So let's see what we got. Ooh, that may be the best nose right there. Ooh, wow, that's really smooth. Nice blend of caramel and fruit there. Very nice. Different. Well, I tell you what, I'm going to go through again as I always do. I'll give it one last shot here, and I'm going to try to figure out which one this is. Each one of these are. All right, let's start back from the front. Little palate wrench. All right, let's see what we got. Fantastic. Starting the night off right. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to stick to that. I'm going to stick to that's the 15 year and see what happens. I feel like I taste a little more oak in that. It's not as hot. And again, the 15 is 100 proof instead of 120. That's my first guess on that. Now I'm going to say it's going to be either 1 or 4 because I thought this one was a little more oaky as well. So this very well could be the 12 year. We'll see. Bada boom. Let's see what we got. Down the hatch. Excellent. That might be our winner. Went back through again. My gut's usually right on these the first go around. Second time just to make sure. I think that's probably going to be the winner. It's very smooth. It has a very good finish. Nice sustained finish. Real sweet. Just good flavor. Lots of fruit on that. Lots of caramel. Subtle oak. Very good. Let's see. We're going to call that the 9 year single barrel. Let's see what happens. All right. Keep the kidneys flushed. Got to have them. All right, number 3. Man, love that oaky caramel smell. Oh, man, killing it. Man, feels good tonight. 4 good pours of some really good bourbon whiskey. Good night to be here. That's going to be a tough one. I'm going to save that, my guess, until I get this last one down, and then I'll see what we got. Let's see it. Let's see it. This one does have a very smooth nose. Just blends together very well. All those aromas, the caramel, that little vanilla and oak, a little bit of fruit in there. Blends together very well. right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna see how close I was. So I'm saying we got Knob Creek 15, Single Barrel 9, Knob Creek 12, Single Barrel Select. Let's see what we got. Well, first of all, let me pick tonight's winner that I feel was the best Knob Creek on the shelf. And that's going to go to this fellow right here, which just happens to be Knob Creek Single Barrel Select. Daggone. Where's that one at? Over here. So we know we're not right. So here we go. Knob Creek Single Barrel Select. One for the night. Well, let's see what else we got. Wow. Not good. Not good. Knob Creek 12 year over here. All right. Let's see what else we got. I wasn't even close. So this was the 9 year. Was I right on any of it? 15 year. No. Turns out that I didn't guess one of these right. But that's okay. That's the fun part about it. So no big deal. Next time we'll get something else out here. Looking forward to doing it again. This is always fun. I enjoy this tremendously. This is fun to me. Come home from a day at work and just come down and unwind. Get the night right is what I like to say. So until I see you all again, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Whiskey Six, we're going to be doing this until the end of time, till the end of my time. So thanks again for joining. Whiskey Six out.